Good morning, student of class 3. I am your computer teacher Sonji sir. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to continue the chapter number 2, GUI operating system and introduction. Okay, and in this video I am going to discuss the exercise question answer from this chapter. Okay, and this is the content of this chapter. In my previous videos I already have discussed about role of an operating system, types of OS based on user interface, Windows operating system, and components of desktop. And today I am going to discuss the power saving modes of a computer. Okay, power saving mode of a computer. This is the syllabus of the first term examination, and I have already completed chapter number 1, a computer system, and today I am going to complete the chapter number 2, GUI operating system and introduction. Okay, now move on to the topic. So today's topic is power saving mode in computer. Okay, so we shut down a computer when we have finished our work on it. Okay, we can put the computer in sleep mode or hibernate mode if we want to take a break for some time. Both sleep and hibernate are power saving modes. Basically, we use the power saving mode when we want to take a break for some time. Okay, so first power saving mode is sleep mode. Okay, sleep mode, hibernate mode, these are the two power saving mode. In these two power saving mode, the computer goes into a low power state. Okay, and all actions on the computer are stopped. Okay, so first mode is sleep mode. So sleep mode is a power saving state. Okay, it is also known as standby or suspend mode. Okay, so power saving mode is also known as standby or suspend mode. We can put the computer in sleep mode when we want to take a break for some time. Most laptops goes into the sleep mode automatically when not used for some time, and all action of the computer are stopped and the data and open files are saved in RAM. Okay, so when the computer goes into the sleep mode, then all actions of the computer are stopped and the data and open files are saved in RAM. Okay, the computer goes into a low power state. A computer usually wakes up when we touch a key, click on the mouse or press the power button. Okay, so active our computer from sleep mode, we need to press any keys or click on the mouse. Okay, or press the power button. Okay, next is hibernate mode. This is also a power saving mode. Okay, this is also a power saving mode. This power saving mode usually meant for laptops. In this mode, the data and open files are saved on the hard disk and the computer goes into the low power state. Hibernate mode uses less power than sleep mode. Okay, hibernate uses the less power than sleep mode. A computer takes longer to resume from hibernate than sleep mode. Okay, so uh, mainly the difference between hibernate and sleep mode is hibernate mode uses less power than sleep mode, but a computer takes longer to resume from hibernate than sleep mode. Okay, so these are the two difference between hibernate and sleep mode. Next is normal mode and safe mode. Okay, Windows is an operating system. When Windows OS works properly on our computer system, it is said that we are working on a normal mode of Windows. Basically, when we switch on our computer, the computer start in normal mode. Okay, computer start in normal modes. However, any software can develop problems in Windows OS. This could be due to the deletion of some important system files, virus attack, etc. When an error occurs, Windows cannot run the normal mode. In such situation, we try to use the safe mode of Windows. That means we use the safe mode when some problem occurs in our computer system. We use the safe mode. Okay, the safe mode is a diagnostic mode in which we try to find and correct the errors due to which Windows operating system is not working properly. In safe mode, we can easily find the error of a computer operating system. Okay, some key features of safe mode are: it is diagnostic mode used to find and correct the errors. Okay, next is, in this mode Windows OS is used with minimum softwares. When in safe mode, the desktop background is replaced with a solid black color with the word safe mode at all four corners. The display in safe mode appears with limited color and lower resolution. Okay, so mainly we use the safe mode to find and correct the errors of an operating system. Okay, and in Windows, in a safe mode, the Windows OS use the minimum software. Okay, minimum software. So safe mode is very important to identify the errors in a computer system. Okay, next is, these are the few terms from this chapter. First is CUI. We all know that CUI means character user interface, and um, there are two types of operating system. One is CUI based operating system, one is GUI based operating system. Okay, now a CUI type of interface in which user has to write text based command to perform any task on a computer. In my previous video I already have discussed about the CUI based operating system. We need to know some commands to operate this type of operating system. Okay, next is GUI based operating system, a type of interface that allow user to interact through the graphical interface by pointing, clicking, selecting, okay, etc. Next is booting. This process of loading OS when a computer is switched on, it is called booting. Next is wallpaper. The picture that appears on as the background of a desktop is called a wallpaper. Next is desktop. The first screen that appears on the computer monitor after Windows OS start. Next is screensaver, a program that runs and displays images after the computer has been inactive for a certain amount of time. Next is icon, the small pictures that appear on the desktop. Next is taskbar, the horizontal bar at the bottom of the computer screen. Okay, so I have already discussed these terms in my previous video. And the safe mode, the diagnostic mode of Windows to find and correct due to which the operating system is given problem. Okay, so mainly safe mode is used for correcting the errors, okay, of an operating system. Now move on to the exercise question answer from this chapter. So first is choose the correct answer. Question number 1 is, which of the following is true for an operating system? It controls the working of different hardware devices. This statement is true. It keeps tracks of all programs on which we are working. This statement is also true. It takes commands from the user and guided the operation for a computer accordingly. So this statement is also true. So option number 4 is the correct answer, all of the above. Okay, all the three statements are correct. Next is, which of the following is not present on a desktop? Icons, taskbar, power button, start button. So power button is not present in the desktop. Okay, so option number B is the correct answer. Next is, what is the full form of GUI? So option number D is the correct answer. The full form of GUI is graphical user interface. Okay, graphical user interface is the correct answer. Next is a diagnostic mode in which we try to find and correct the errors due to which Windows is not working properly. So the options are normal mode, sleep mode, hibernate mode, and safe mode. So safe mode is the correct answer. Okay, so D, option number D is the correct answer. So these are the tick mark from this chapter. Now fill in the blanks. Okay, first is Windows 10 is a GUI based operating system. Okay, operating system. Next is, the background picture on the desktop is called the wallpaper. Okay, the background picture is called the wallpaper. The small picture on desktop, which when clicked open programs, are called icons. Okay, icon is the small picture on the desktop. Next is, dash button is present on the extreme left of the taskbar. So Start button is the correct answer. Start button is present on the extreme left of the taskbar. Next is this PC and recycle bin icons are present on the desktop. Okay, so these are the fill in the blanks from this chapter. Next is tick the correct answers, correct statement and cross the out the wrong one. Okay, so first is it is easier to work on a computer that has CUI based OS. So this statement is incorrect. Okay, mainly the user friendly OS is GUI based operating system. Okay, so this statement is incorrect. Next is screensaver is a program that runs and display image after the computer has been inactive for a given period of time. So this statement is correct. Next is hibernate mode use more power than sleep mode. This statement is false. Okay, hibernate mode less power than a sleep mode. Next is on set the wallpaper of the desktop cannot be changed. So this statement is also false. Next is the process of loading the OS after a computer is switched on is called booting. Okay, so this statement is correct. Okay, next is name the following two example of operating system. There are lots of operating system are there: Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, etc. Okay, so Windows OS and Mac are the two example of operating system. Two power saving mode of a computer. Power saving mode only two power. There are two power saving modes in a computer: sleep mode and hibernate mode. Okay, next is two icons on the desktop. So there are two icons are this PC and recycle bin. Okay, and two components on the taskbar: search box and notification area. Okay, search box and notification area are the two components of the taskbar. So these are the exercise question answer from this chapter. Okay, and all of you have to write this question answer on your computer copy. Okay, please write this question answer on your computer copy. Okay, and also read the chapter very carefully to understand the topic. So today I am ending my discussion here. In my next video I will start a new chapter. Okay, so till then take care, goodbye and thank you.